Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk kitchen scissors, and these are from CANARY. These are a Japanese brand. They also are made in Japan, and they are a really fantastic, sturdy set of scissors for the kitchen. I do like that they have the little nub here, so you don't have to worry about pinching yourself at all. Multiple uses for these scissors as well. So not only do they have the fantastic blade, they also have like a few different things here. Like this is to, once you open a can and you want to pop it, open the lid, you can use this part. There's this section here that's kind of bumpy, which can be used for meat tenderizing. The grips in the middle are perfect to put on jars to twist them open. But my all-time favorite feature of these scissors, like I said, not only are they super sharp, they have the ability to come apart, which I think is an absolute necessity in your kitchen, just to make sure if you are, say, cutting things up like chicken or things with oil and fat in them, you want to be able to get into the grooves and just make sure they're really clean, and also to dry really well so you don't get rust. So I love them, I recommend them, and that is my point of view.